How to uninstall DaVinci Resolve 18 on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove DaVinci Resolve from your Windows 11 PC. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, click on the search icon in your taskbar and type in install, and from the search result simply choose install apps option. And now you are in the install app section. Either scroll through the list or use the search bar to look for DaVinci Resolve. And once you locate it, simply click on the three dot icon beside it. And from the drop down menu, simply click on uninstall. And then confirm again by clicking on install on the prompt. And Windows will now prepare the uninstallation. So it might take a minute or two, so just be patient and click yes if any permission prompts appear. And after that, the DaVinci will be removed from your PC. And that's it. That's how you can uninstall DaVinci Resolve 18 on Windows 11. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.